I love haikus. Still love haiku. I wrote five haikus long time ago. It was in my first book, and the first time I did a translation was that of a haiku from English to Urdu. So I wish I could have brought some today, which I forgot. So, like Mike said, it's hard to decide what to read. And so what I did was I took I gave some of my poems to my daughter. She's 12. I said, "You tell me what to read," and she picked a few. So I'm just reading, not too long, just short poems. So, first one is the Trojan Inside, and I come out just like that, plain and bare, a Trojan who must make a horse, not an easy one, that would keep its shape and sound intact in each advance, battle after battle, time after time, never breaks or fails in bringing the inside soldiers out, while staying within itself, yet be the hero and be owned by the conquered ones. That which tells what is inside and lifting not the veil, leaving that for eternity, and remains the same, the horse that first came. So it is, and it's not. Too late did you warn me from losing what was already lost. Yes, it was in my hands, but no, I didn't have the grasp on what was not between my fingers and the palm. Gone it is, but not the feeling like the water that has dried, yet there is the coolness and dampness of what is there no more. Thanks. Mark it down. You can challenge nature, but you cannot. You can challenge nature, but can you win the fight? Nature has its own wristwatch. And when it's time, can you escape the wrath? Your future tongues then curse your jaws for sucking today's throats. Your teeth penetrate not what they do, but your own throats to be. Once you are done with others' flesh, you'll chew each other's bones. Last one, there are two short poems, not haiku, creativity. To spend more of me on creating myself, whenever I lift the pen, it only dispenses red ink, so thick that blackens upon drying. The second one, what's creativity? If not creating the destruction of fall in the whirlpool of roofs and wall falling on the heads. Thank you.